Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Vantage Point. I'm Bradley. Today we're going to talk about this new ACE Step V 1.5 model. It is actually a highly efficient open source music foundation model that brings commercial grade generation to consumer hardware. And at its core, there's a novel hybrid architecture where the language model functions as omni-capable planner. It actually uses this chain of thought technique and uses two clip text encoders to do the synthesizing metadata, lyrics, and captions, and guide the whole diffusion transformer process. Okay, let's quickly go over the prerequisites of this workflow. And the first thing you want to do is you're gonna update the zluda comfyui to the latest version. It is actually covered by this user comfyui user.batch. When you run this batch file, it will download the newly updates of comfyui into your computer and install the prerequisites. After you install the newest version, you have this text encode, ACE step audio, and empty ACE step 1.5 listen audio node installed, and you can run this workflow. And the second thing you want to do is to download the models. In this workflow, it has the capability to use this AIO model and split models. And the first model you're going to download is this diffusion model. It's the main denoising model, and the text encoders is for the chain of thought technique. It has two text encoders. One is 0.6b and the other is 1.7b. And the last is the VAE. It is used to encode and decode the music files. And this is for the split models, and if you want to use these checkpoints, it is actually all-in-one model, and it is actually a combine of these VAE text encoders and diffusion models. And you can download this model using this link. You can right-click and save the models. Okay, let's quickly go over this workflow. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is this group bypasser. If you use AIO model, you just enable this and disable this. And if you use the split models, you can enable this and disable this. I will take the split models for example. And first thing you want to do is to load the models, the diffusion model, the two clips, and the VAE model. And then the model is fed into this AND switch. It is actually the node that you can choose between this AIO and split models. And when the model is loaded, it is fed into this key sampler. And the text encode setup audio 1.4 node, it actually you input the lyrics here and you input the main theme of the music here, and you can refer to the ACE official website for instructions how to write the lyrics and how to write this overview of the music. And the other options are default. It is recommended by the ACE 1.5 officials. And here you input the length, the duration of the song. And here I use 120, that's 2 minutes. And seed, I use this value, and fixed. You can choose incremental, decremental, and randomize. And here is the empty leads node. And after the conditioning, you fed it into this positive input of key sampler. Actually, the negative input is zeroed out. So we just use this node and fed the negative input to this key sampler. And the latent image is the empty latent. And here you wanna take care of this. You need to add this CFC CUDN toggle node and disable CUDN before the empty latent is fed into the key sampler. After denoising, and you fed latent to this denoise node, VAE denoise, and you save the song here. As you can see, I have a generation in progress, and the most time-consuming step, the bottleneck of this workflow is about this text encoders, because it is run on CPU and system RAM, so it's pretty slow actually, because my CPU is very old. I have an i5 8500, so it's a very old CPU, and the speed is not that fast, so it would take about 20 minutes to this LM sampling steps. Actually, the denoising process is very fast, and 8 steps actually cost about 10 seconds, and this is the model, but this is the bottleneck. So if you're a faster CPU, you will get faster generating time. Okay, and another thing I need to tell you is that I use this still turbo model because I have a limited VRAM, and if you have a larger VRAM, you can use the base model. Okay, let's wait for the generation to complete and see the results together. So I will pause here and it will come back later. Okay, the generation has been completed, and as you can see, the most time-consuming process is this LM sampling. It actually cost 27 minutes, and the denoising process is really fast. It about 20 seconds, and the VAE is 45 seconds. So the total generating time is 28 minutes. It is pretty long, but it is most because of my slower CPU. So if you have a faster CPU, you can generate the music much faster. And another thing I want to talk about is people in the comment told me that the comfyui zluda repo has been offline, and now it is back online. You can check this repo for the latest information, and if you have any problem about this zluda comfyui, you can ask the author in these issues. Okay, let's hear the result together.
Yeah. Turn it up. Click, clack, camouflage, hit or miss. Run the board, every move, calculate. Big bass hit when I step in the frame. Too fast, they can't even say my name. Ready like I'm on the lane. Keep so sharp, cut through champagne. Talk cheap on my sound heavyweight. Countdown, tick and watch me detonate. 808 top, let it shake the floor. All eyes on me when I hit the door. Too bold, too cold, no rehearsal. Feel this crown from you, universal. Chain reaction when I breathe a fire. One line, go room, go higher. No pause, no fear, full ignition. Miss that glow, transmission. Pull me close, let's slow it down. Heartbeat under the sound. When you whisper my name like that, I forget where the edges are.
wraps up today's video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.